Welcome to Supercharge Upper Body Burn. We're gonna go through a 10-minute workout, 5 different exercises, 2 minutes each. I first wanna congratulate you for putting in this DVD because it's telling me that you're ready to take your workout to a whole new level. You guys ready to go? All right, let's do this. Make sure you get your mat out. Let's go down on the floor. The first one is gonna be on your back. We're gonna work our chest here. So, knees are slightly bent, kettlebell's in your right hand, palms up, and let's just start pushing it up to the ceiling. Good job, guys. Straight up. And we're working out our chest here. Take the kettlebell all the way up to the top and squeeze. Good. Breathe through the exercise. Get some air in those lungs. Good job. A little bit longer, 30 more seconds on this side. How are you guys doing? Good? Great. All the way to the top. Make sure that that tricep is coming back down to the floor. Good. 15 more seconds. All upper body on this one. Squeeze. Good job, guys. All right, now let's switch over to the other side. Same thing, left hand and press. Good. That right hand is straight out, palms up. You want to make sure that you keep that chest open. All the way up. Keep your back nice and flat on your mat. And breathe. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Just focus on your chest. Good. 30 more seconds. Just control the move. Come on, stay with me. Last 10 seconds here. Good. Let's try to get a couple more in. 5 more. Nice job, guys. Let's move on to the second exercise, the renegade row. So, you're gonna take your one kettlebell, lay it down. You're gonna grab your other one. I recommend a little bit heavier one on your knees, and you're gonna bring the kettlebell up and squeeze at the top. Okay, this is your upper back. Control, make sure that your hips are squared. Now, I recommend everybody starting this on your knees. You're just pulling that shoulder blade in towards your spine. Good. 30 more seconds. Good. Great. The more of these you do, the harder it's gonna get. 15 more seconds. Come on, stay with me. There's a reason why we call this the Supercharge workout. All the way up. Come on. Last 5 seconds here. Good. Last one. Good job. Now let's walk it over to the other side. We're gonna do the same thing, but on your left side. Ready? Here we go. Let's go. Pull it up. Now, like I said, I recommend you starting this on your knees. If you feel like you're ready, you can go ahead and come to your toes and pull. Now you're gonna engage a little bit more of your core. Squeeze at the top, remember. Shoulder blade into the spine. Good. All the way up, squeeze. 30 seconds here. Now you're feeling it. All the way. Toning up those arms. Upper back. So really get your heart rate up. Stay with me. Last 5 seconds. Come on. Let's get a couple more in. Good job. All right, now let's go on to that third exercise, guys. Take it up to your feet. Hammer curls. Okay? Let's go on the right side and pull it up. Good. Now your feet are about shoulder width apart here. You have your elbow just off of your hip, and you're coming all the way to the top in full extension. Whew. A little soft in the knees. Keep your chest up. Make sure you're getting some air in those lungs. Good job, 30 more seconds here. KettleWorX really does work, guys, I promise you. This is a great formula to transform your body. Come on, stay with me. Last 15 seconds. Again, if you have to pause, that's okay. Jump in whenever you're ready. Good. Keep going, last 5 seconds. Get a couple more in. All right, now let's go ahead and switch over to the left side. Ready? 1 minute. Good job. Full extension here. Really work that bicep. How are you guys doing? Good? Yeah, Alice? Good. You guys look great. Come on, now I want you to stay with us, all right? Stay here. You gotta mirror what we're doing. Call it supercharge. High energy, keep that intensity up. 30 more seconds on the left side. Feel the burn. Come on, if you're not feeling the exercise, you're not working hard enough. I need you to stay with me. Come on, we're gonna burn some serious calories here. Last 20 seconds. Come on, we're almost there. Almost there. If you have to drop the weight, I'm okay with that too. Keep going guys. All right, last 2, up. Nice job. All right, now we're gonna work our triceps. So go ahead, you might wanna go with a little bit lighter kettlebell on this one. Two-handed grab, take it over your head, and just tricep extensions. Straight up. Really opening up your triceps here. Good, control the movement. Again, your feet are about shoulder width apart. You're slightly bent in the knees, keeping your chest up, and bring your elbows towards the center. Good. You're only 30 seconds into it. Come on now. It's supercharged, guys. Come on. You should be sweating by now. Just think of all those calories you're burning. Stay with me now. Come on, like I said, talk yourself into the workout, not out of it. Now we're halfway through. We got 1 more minute to go. You guys doing good back there? Yeah, all right. I love it, I love it. Come on. Here we go. Here we go, I know. You gotta feel it, guys. It's a good burn, it's a good burn. Again, you're gonna feel sore after this. There's a reason why we give you the supercharge workout, okay? This is because you're ready for it. Your body's ready to go the extra level, all right? We do not want you to plateau during our KettleWorX program. You gotta follow this roadmap. You're gonna get the results. Come on, 30 seconds. Keep it up. Keep it up, guys. Don't quit on me. Burn. Oh yeah, 20 more. Can you guys do this? Yeah? We're almost there. Come on. Come on, last couple, last couple. 5 more seconds. All right, and we're done. All right, now we got 1 more exercise to go, okay? It's a power push. So you're gonna take the kettlebell. You can even go up with a little bit heavier kettlebell on this one, all right? You're gonna drive through the legs. You guys ready? Let's squat and press. Good, it's called a push press. Now, you're coming up through your legs on this one. So you're gonna drive your hips to the back and press to the ceiling. Good job. That left arm is there for balance. Good. Straight up. 30 seconds into it. Up. Nice. Now, if you have to drop the weight and go down a little bit, that's okay. Remember, if you need to pause, pause. Ready? Come on now. Press straight up. Oh yeah. Shoulders and legs. Kim, you're there? I can hear you. All right, guys, now let's move it over to the other side, okay? This is the last minute of the supercharge. I don't want you to quit on me. We're almost there. Come on. Keep going. Press. Press straight through. KettleWorX works, I'm telling you. It really does, guys. You're gonna transform your body. I promise you. I need you out of your comfort zone. I know you are. I know you're there. Come on, 30 seconds. 30 seconds to go, supercharge. press, press. Weights in the heels. Come on, don't quit. This is it, last 20. You girls good? Yeah? Press, 15. Come on. Breathe. Up. 5 to go, 5 seconds. One more. Ah, nice job. Awesome job, guys. Congratulations. 10 minutes to supercharge. I'm sure you're feeling it. Make sure you get that recovery drink in you. Make sure you stretch. You did awesome. Thank you so much. We'll see you at the next workout. Great job.